Hello again. Yes, it stayed mostly dry for daylight hours today. Although I anticipated quite a bit of cloud, there has been some brighter spells, but now more unsettled. The strength of the winds and that spell of rain will be the focus overnight. It will turn much colder by dawn, but with a mix of sunshine and showers as we head through into midweek on Wednesday. So over the next 36 hours or so, we look to the north, to the Arctic, a northerly flow as we head through into Wednesday and Thursday. It will be milder by Friday, but again more unsettled. So in the meantime, this front that has been waiting in the northwest does come across as it turns more showery, but there'll be some heavy pulses and drawn through the region quite quickly with the strength of those winds changing direction and north-northwesterly by the end of the night. So a touch of frost despite the strength of the winds and some clear skies. So definitely some sunny spells in the mix as we head through into tomorrow, but I think there'll be a few more ripples in the water at Thorn. A big thank you to Emma for the shots, and there are Eastern times for Wednesday. So tomorrow it's a mix. You can see some white bits on our maps as we head through into tomorrow. Sunshine and showers, but the showers possibly containing hail, maybe some sleet or wet snow. The winds will be strong. It will feel very cold in the strength of the winds, so we're knocking those temperatures down to somewhere more like 1 to 3 Celsius across most parts of the region. The winds will ease and the showers will fade, so we're looking at a fairly widespread frost as we head into Thursday. A chilly start to the day, a good dose of sunshine, a little bit more cloud later, and then as we head closer towards the weekend, mix for the weekend itself, cloudier and milder for Friday. Yes, mostly dry for daylight hours today. Some cloud around first thing this morning. A great shot though from Hull. A big thank you to Lee Ward for the share. But yes, turning increasingly more unsettled overnight tonight. Strong winds and showery outbreaks of rain, but dragging in much colder air by dawn. Stronger winds, yes. A mixture of sunshine and showers, so it's not all bad news. So we do look to the north, to the Arctic for our air mass over the next 36 hours or so. So feeling very cold by tomorrow morning, and that cold air staying with us for Wednesday and Thursday. A slightly milder theme nudging in from the west by the time we reach Friday, but a little more unsettled too. So in the meantime, that front that's been waiting way out in the northwest coming across us along some strong and gusty winds, turning more showery as it does so, but with some heavy pulses, and then into the early hours drier and clearer and colder, the winds changing direction, and although being very gusty, those temperatures will be in the very low single figures. So a cold start to tomorrow. A few ripples in the water compared to Emma Johnson's shot here in Thorn. A big thank you for the share. 5:54 and 6:24 are your sun times as we head into tomorrow. So tomorrow is a mix. Sunny spells, yes. Showery outbreaks too. You can see a little bit of white there. Could be some hail, maybe some sleet and wet snow out of those showers. The winds are strong. If you are in those winds, it will feel bitterly cold. Decent in the sunshine, 8 or 9, but feeling an exposure to that wind more like 2s and 3s for the majority of the region. The winds will ease and the showers will fade, and we're looking at a fairly widespread frost as we head through into Thursday. Thursday, chilly start, best of the sunshine in the morning, a bit more cloud for the afternoon.